Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Nicole here with your Insurance Minute. Anyone else being captivated by the Tiger King series? Just me? All right. So this week for the Insurance Minute, I want to talk about rental car reimbursement. And this is not a coverage that is automatically included in your auto policy. It is something that your agent should ask you about, or you should be asking your agent. And this will cover your vehicle while it is being repaired in the shop due to a covered peril, so like an accident or if you hit an object and it needs to get repaired. So it'll help cover the costs of the actual rental car. Most carriers do have a allotted amount per day that they will cover. So oftentimes it's anywhere between $30 a day, and then they'll have an absolute maximum amount that they would cover. Typically, to get this policy coverage, it is pretty inexpensive. So definitely talk to your agent if you have questions on it, and especially if you don't have an extra vehicle at home that you could use while your car is being repaired. So it's not going to cover you for renting a car just for a vacation, and it's not going to cover you for renting a vehicle while yours is in the shop getting general maintenance and repair work. It would have to be from a covered peril. So that's what I got for you this week. Hope everyone's staying safe and staying healthy. I'll see you guys next week.